What's up, guys? It's your boy JamarVlogs, and it is December 1st, day one of Vlogmas. And guys, this is going to be my first year doing Vlogmas, so I hope you guys enjoy. And I mean, please bear with me because it's my first time, so I'm going to try my best to basically give you guys as much good Christmassy type content as I can. But yeah, just bear with me because honestly, this is my first year doing it, and I don't fully know everything about Vlogmas and what I'm supposed to do and what I'm not supposed to do. But honestly, guys, I'm just gonna continue to bring you guys on this journey with me and try my best to give you some amazing Vlogmas episodes. So yeah, just stay tuned and follow the vibes. Honestly, it's gonna be a good time. As much as we're going through some unfortunate events, let's call it COVID-19, we're just gonna try and make the best of this year's Christmas and the best of the situation. And yeah, so this is day one. If you guys watched the previous vlog, I believe it's vlog number 18, I had just finished up with Raven. We went out to do some errands and stuff like that, went and grabbed some food. It was we got 40 nuggets from Burger King. So I'm just leaving her place now. I just finished editing the videos. So it's currently going on 1:30 in the morning. And so I just finished editing everything. Well, mostly edited everything. I have to go home and get a hard drive and add some stuff into the video that I forgot. But yeah, pretty much everything is almost done being edited. And so I just decided that I'm gonna start the vlog early morning. It's 1:30 in the morning, so it is December 1st. And what I'm gonna do when I get home is finish up that video. I'm gonna finish editing the video, and then I'll probably upload it or set it on a timer. And then I'm going to be looking to get some of the Christmas decorations out from our storage in our house. And once I get those Christmas decorations out, I'll probably start decorating maybe in the morning, or I don't know if I'm gonna start overnight, we'll see. But more than likely I'll probably do it tomorrow so that the lighting and all that stuff is a lot better. And just so I have something to do tomorrow and keep myself busy during this COVID-19 lockdown. But yeah, so just keeping you guys updated. I'm gonna be heading home right now, and I'm gonna be pulling out some of the decorations, some Christmas lights, the Christmas tree, all that stuff. Get the Christmas spirit going on for December 1st, and that way my family can kind of have something to be excited for and feel happy about, especially being locked inside for almost the whole year. So yeah. All right, guys, so I'll see you guys when I get home. I'm just gonna let this truck defrost a little bit, and once I'm defrosted, I'm gonna make my way home, and I'll continue the vlog.
What's up, guys? So I'm finally upstairs with all the Christmas stuff, and I'm going to start setting up the Christmas tree and putting on the decorations and all that stuff. So I'm really excited. This is Vlogmas episode number 1. Welcome to Vlogmas. I've had this since I was a kid. It's my little stocking stuffers. Probably can't find these anymore, to be honest, but yeah, had this since I was a kid. So I'm gonna put that, take the vlog with me. So this usually goes on this banister here. I'll show you guys. Boom. That's usually where we put that. Jesus, little town thing with a tree, little village. What else we got? Some more decorations, some Christmas lights and tree ornaments and stuff like that. What's in here? Some railing ornaments and stuff. We got, I don't think anything's in that bag. More boxes with stuff. And we got some of these. Some of these I'm going to take with me to England.
these two. And yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna take these two Christmas light boxes with me to England, so that I have 2 sets of colored lights, and then I have 2 sets of, I think I got like blue lights or white lights, I forget, but I have some lights in this box, in this Christmas box up here. That's all stuff that I'm taking to England with me. But you guys will see more of that in the vlogs that I do about the move specifically. But yeah, since you guys are on my regular vlog channel, just wanted to show you guys. Okay, so we are back down here. We got some outdoor lights, I think, indoor and outdoor Christmas lights. Some more Christian under the tree type religious stuff. And in here, again, it looks like we've got some more ornaments and lighting. I'm actually gonna take this one too. Turn this on. Yeah, I'm gonna pack this one too, just so that I have enough lights to cover me for the holidays over there. Just so you guys know, if you are planning to move to the UK, or you're currently going through the same move as I am, just so you know, in Canada we use plugs like this. Oops. In Canada we use plugs like this. In the UK they have different plugs. I suggest you Google it, or maybe I'll add a picture in this video right here. So note to self, add a clip or picture of what a UK plug looks like. But our plugs are different, so if you're planning to bring electronics over to the UK like I am, just bear in mind that you need to get a plug converter and like a surge protector that is specifically made for that, like it's specifically made for the conversion and difference in voltage levels compared to what we use here in the US and Canada and the UK. So like the UK uses different voltages and stuff like that. So just be wary of that if you're going to be plugging electronics in over there. You could fry your stuff, so make sure you're getting like surge protectors and stuff like that. Okay. Okay guys, I've been filming for quite a while. I've got a lot of footage to skim through, so what I'm going to do
is finish up the tree, and then I'm gonna come back on the vlog and show you guys the end result. Alright guys, see you in a minute. What's up guys, so I finished doing all the decorations and stuff in the house, so I'm just gonna give you guys a quick showcase. What's up guys, it's your boy JamarVlogs, and that is the end of Vlogmas episode 1. I hope you guys really enjoyed the video. I'm really sorry it wasn't as long as I'd like, but it is my first episode, so stay tuned for episode number 2. I did notice some things that I can improve on, so I will be improving on that in the next episode. So see you on episode 2 tomorrow, and yeah, peace out, have a good day. Peace.